As you know, the name of each cell consists of a combination of a letter and a number. A letter represents a column and the number represents a row in Excel. One of the basic and very practical concepts in Excel formula writing is addressing. Here, cell C1 is equal to A1 plus B1. Now, if we copy the formula of cell C1 one cell to the right, for example D1, all the cells related to C1 which are B1 and A1 will also move to the same direction, one cell to the right. Therefore, the formula of cell D1 is equal to B1 plus C1. Now, note that if you drag the formula of cell C1 down to launch one cell, the same situation will occur. That is, all the dependent cells will be moved down by one cell. For example, if cell C1 is copied to cell C2, the dependent cell will also be cells A2 and B2 are copied. In other words, because the addressing is relative, by copying the cell containing the formula, the dependent cells are also copied in the same direction. Now, what is absolute addressing and what is its purpose? The purpose of absolute addressing is to prevent dependent cells from moving when copying a formula cell. We use the $sign for the absolute address. Each cell can be addressed in one of these four ways. $sign. The character in front of it is fixed. Always remember this point. In $B, $5, the $sign is before the letter and number. So both the row and column of this row is fixed. In $5, the $sign is before the number, which means that the row of this cell is fixed. And in $B5, the $sign is before the letter, so the column of the cell is fixed. Now, suppose we want to add the number 5 in cell A1 with each number in row 2 and write it in row 3. For this, we first enter the formula A1 plus A2 in cell A3. As we said in relative addressing, if we copy the formula of cell A3, one cell to the right, for example B3, the cells dependent on it, for example A2 and A1, will also move to the same direction. In other words, the formula of cell B3 will be B1 plus B2. While it should have been A1 plus A2. In other words, cell A1 has been mistakenly transferred to cell B1, while it should remain on the same column A, for example, $A1. So the correct formula in cell A3 equals $A1 plus A2. So, my friends, thanks for staying with me. So, by holding the shift key plus the $sign, we add the dollar to the formula in A3. And now, if we copy this cell, you will see that the formula has changed. And if we drag it forward, you will see all the numbers in the column A1 are added and A1 remains constant.